in, it was like $800 every time I took him in.
Yeah. But I would like to go to. I'm gonna pull over because I have dash cam of that.
Okay.它不是往里面停的，没法往里停。
哎呦，这哥们儿，天哪！哎呦，
就是啊，但是。
Or too cool, you're more than welcome to change the temperature back there. Sorry.
No, you're good.
Oh my god. People are nuts. My goodness.
Salir a la introvertida esta noche. La introvertida huye de la interacción social. Pero parece que esta vez no pudo escapar. Será forzada a socializar toda la noche. Por allá, mire, un avistamiento raro. La introvertida es forzada a salir de su morada por comida.
Dude, there's a sidewalk. Dude, there's a sidewalk. No, get on the sidewalk. Oh yeah. Oh shit, look. Oh my god, bro. Well, and he's running? What the f, bro?
I can't copy anything that you're telling me.
Signal 4, signal 4, signal 4. Signal 4, signal 4, signal 4.
Where did they signal 4 at?
It would be westbound.
We're gonna watch and be like, oh, she's getting a hand pay. And I wasn't.
That guy's running.
He's running?
Yeah.
Really running?
Yeah, he's running.
Oh
How
no.
do I save this?
Really?
I hit that little thing.
He's running?
There are police reported ahead.
This guy's about to get pulled over. Yep. Wow.
Camera! There's a camera right there! 6899. Okay, he's now pulling over with his hazards on. He threatened a gun at me. He was making gun symbols at me.
Oh, okay. So, like, what road was he on?
I'm on West Ox Road North. He's a black male with glasses on. He was threatening a gun at me. He was making gun things with his fingers.
Okay,
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover